Go to previous page. Oh, this is a long. Wow. Like this statement is pretty long. Okay, come on. This is a story about Ricky and Adam. Ricky and Adam. All right. Come on, we'll be late. We'll be late, right? Ricky and Adam's father said he wanted to leave an hour ago. So it already passed 1 hour. Like Ricky and Adam's father kept telling them, we are running out of time. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay? So Ricky and Adam's father wanted to leave an hour ago. Ricky and Adam's father talked a lot about leaving on time. So everybody on time. When you say on time means like you said, oh, we can go out at 5 o'clock. So you leave right on time, 5 o'clock.
Yes.
So what time do you get up, Noaku? What time do you get up, Noaku?
I get up
You get up at
and 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock? Okay, then what time do you need to be in school?
You can finish.
8:30 or 8 o'clock?
I know. 7,
7?
7:10.
You go to school at 7:10?
No.
8:10. You should be at school what time?
8:10.
8:10. Okay? So this is the arrival time. So you should be at school at 8:10
Yes.
on time. So you walk to school, right?
Yes.
You walk to school and you arrive at your school at 8:10. That's on time.
8:05.
8:05. 8:05? Good. Anyway, this is on time. You are not late.
8 up.
Okay?
Yes.
When you do something on time, that means you don't get late. You are not late for that activity. Seiyun, are you sometimes late for school? Are you sometimes late for class? But you are never late for this class, which is really, really nice.
Yes.
But do you sometimes go to school late? So you don't go to school on time? You never do that. You never do that. Good, good. But Ricky and Adam's father always said, oh, come on, we are going to be so late. Do it on time.
Do it on time.
Do it on time.
Do it on time.
And he didn't like driving in traffic, right? With all the other cars. So traffic, so many cars
So many cars
on the road.
on the road.
You are stuck
Or stop.
in the middle
In the middle
of the traffic.
of the
You can't go
road.
forward. You can't go
You can go
backward
backward
either. So
either.
you're stuck. Why you're stuck in the traffic? Because there are too many cars. Like a chusa. So like too many cars on the highway. Right? So father, Ricky and Adam's father don't like Ricky and Adam's father doesn't like this thing. Ricky and Adam, their parents were ready to go to the beach.
Go to the beach.
Wow, they're gonna have some fun there. The boys were ready
Already.
when they walk up. Ta-da-da! They walk up. They're very excited. They're very excited about going to the beach. All right? They ate breakfast early in the morning.
Already.
Like 7. And they were already hungry
Already.
for lunch. Because why? Why? They ate breakfast so early.
They
Right?
ate breakfast early.
And they now
And now
They wanted to arrive
They wanted to arrive
at the beach.
at the beach.
What is that? Arrive. The word. It means Korean. Is that right?
Yes.
Right. Arrive. You want to arrive. They wanted to arrive at the beach. Then they would be open. They would open the large basket filled with delicious cheese sandwiches, grapes, cookies, and lemonade. Ricky and Adam planned many things for the beach trip. They didn't like to swim, but they wanted to collect shells. You know, shells. They would collect the shells, right? In their beach pail. This is a pail, kind of bucket. The pail. They want to collect the shells on the beach. They wanted to build sandcastle. Sandcastle, like you know sandcastle? Yes, with their pails. They wanted to fly their kites. They planned so many things. But they were still at home. They didn't even start the engine. No. They went into the car a few minutes after they left home with their baskets, pails, towels, kite. Ricky's little brother started talking. And Ricky did not like what he heard, right? So, who talks about leaving on time? Right? Who talks about leaving on time?
Ricky.
Ricky?
The father.
Ricky's father. Ricky's father. Their father. And why are Ricky and Adam hungry? They ate breakfast so early. What will Ricky and Adam do at the beach? Play with the pail and kite, right? You know, who is Adam? Ricky's brother. Isn't it easy?
Yes.
So easy.
Yes.
So, guys, look at this. Today, listen to a teacher giving a science lesson. Today, I want to tell you about a type of bird. This bird is called a homing pigeon. It is called a homing pigeon. Pigeons. You see lots of pigeons or doves in the park. Pitugi. 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 Because it is excellent at finding its home. So this bird can leave their home, its home, and comes back to home very, very well. The homing pigeon always knows how to find the directions. Direction, you know, the north, south, east, west. That's directions, right? This type of pigeon knows how to find directions to its home nest. 둥지. Remember nest for the dinosaurs?
Yes.
Nest. And even from a distant, everybody, near,
Yes.
far,
4.
distant. This bird is also very fast and can fly for hundreds of kilometers without resting. 100 kilometers without resting. Never taking a rest in between the flights. Woo! For that reason, you reason. Good on you. Before the telephone and email were invented. You know, invented. Thomas Edison invents. The invention. Make things New.
New.
A new thing. Make something new, right? People used homing pigeons to send messages back home. It was like a messenger bird. Messenger. So you tie your message on its leg, and then this pigeon flies without resting, like 100 kilometers. Okay, fast, never stop. It kind of pops off like it's like a mailman or the mail carrier. When people travel, they carried pigeons with them.
Pigeons.
So their own pigeons,
Their own pigeons.
like pigeon, your pigeon and his pigeon, your pigeon, your pigeon. When they needed to send a message, like send a message to home, like to mother, to father, okay? They wrote a message
They wrote a message
on a small piece of paper
on a small piece of
and attach to the bird's necks, bird's legs. Then they sent the pigeon free and let it fly. The pigeon carried the mail all the way back home. It's like they're traveling here, and their home is here. The pigeon flew this much of distance, okay, to give the message. Okay? Now, what is special about the homing pigeon? They can always find their home, way home, easily.
Easily.
집잘 찾아.
집잘 찾아.
What is true about these birds? They carry heavy object, 무거운? No. They fly very fast? Yes. How these birds help people in the past? 옛날 어떻게 사람 help? They carried letters.